In this video, I'll guide you through how to change the date of an event in Google Calendar. Whether you've had a meeting rescheduled, a deadline moved, or you simply picked the wrong day by mistake, updating the date is quick and easy once you know where to look. I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can follow along on your own screen. First, open your web browser and go to calendar.google.com. If you're not already signed in, log in with your Google account so you can see your calendars and events. Once the page loads, you should see your calendar in either day, week, or month view, depending on how you left it last time. Any existing events will appear as colored blocks on the calendar. Next, find the event whose date you want to change. You can scroll through the weeks or months using the arrows at the top, or switch views if that makes it easier to locate. When you see the event on the calendar, click directly on it. This will open a small pop-up window showing the basic details of the event, such as the title, time, and date. In that pop-up, look for the pencil icon, which represents the edit option. It's usually near the top of the window. Click on the pencil icon to open the full event details page. This is where you can change anything about the event, including its title, description, guests, and of course the date. On the event details page, locate the date field near the top next to the start and end times. Click on the date you want to change. A calendar picker will open, allowing you to choose a different day. You can move forward or backward through the months using the arrows in that small calendar. Once you find the new date you need, click on it to select it. Make sure the start and end times still make sense for the new day, especially if the event spans multiple days or if it's an all-day event. If it's an all-day event, you'll see an option to mark it as such, which can help keep things tidy. After you've updated the date and double-checked the time, you're ready to save your changes. Look for the Save button, usually at the top or bottom of the event page, and click it. If the event has guests, Google Calendar may ask if you want to send an update to them so they know about the new date. Choose the option that fits your situation and confirm. Once you've saved, you'll be taken back to your calendar view and you should now see the event moved to the new date you selected. If it doesn't appear right away, try refreshing the page or checking a different view, such as switching from month to week view. That's all there is to it. You've successfully changed the date of an event in Google Calendar. With these steps, you can quickly adjust your schedule whenever plans change without needing to recreate events from scratch.